Welcome to Life Princess Size with Pallavi. I'm Pallavi, and being an actor, being an anchor, or a YouTuber, I'm often at shoots, whether it's for a film or whether I'm doing one of my videos here for you guys. But all of those involve me putting on some makeup. Even though I try and sneak in a lot of YouTube videos where I don't need makeup because I am lazy as hell about putting on makeup. It's not something I love. Thankfully, I am not lazy about removing my makeup, and all of you know how important and crucial it is to remove your makeup, to let your pores breathe, to let your skin be clean, happy, clear. I've been going through a lot of different kinds of makeup removers to try what works best for my skin. What I used to use was this one by Clinique, Take the Day Off makeup remover. And because I was at so many shoots, I would keep running out of these obviously, and they're all quite expensive. And then I turned to my dear darling Pinterest, and I started learning how to make my own makeup removers, and I was very happy with those. But of late, I decided to try coconut oil because I've been trying that for a lot of other remedies, and coconut oil has also been working like a charm. So today I thought I'm going to do a quick video where I compare the two. I'll first teach you how to make my own DIY makeup remover, which works just as well as the Clinique one, and then we're going to compare that with using coconut oil. So first of all, I want you guys to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to keep watching more such videos, and make sure you leave me your comments about which makeup removing technique works best for you, which one you tried, what worked for your skin type, and what kind of videos you want me to keep doing. So like I said, I was using this Clinique one for the longest. I also tried this one by Forest Essentials, which is, you can see I'm almost out of it. This is a floral makeup remover. Now this smelled really nice, but honestly I did not love this. I did not think this was very effective because after I removed it, and then when I used a so after I used this and I used a baby wipe, I would still get some mascara on. So not very happy with this, right? Alright, so let's get started with making our own makeup remover. Alright, so to make our own makeup remover, we need some very basic ingredients. Johnson's baby shampoo. You can see I'm almost out of all these because, like I said, I put on a lot of makeup and I keep making batches of these to remove it. So Johnson's baby no tears shampoo, Johnson's baby oil, and water, just purified water. What I'm using here is acidic water because that's extremely good for the skin, but you can just use normal water. And you need a container to put that in. So for a 30 ml bottle, I'm just going to put in 1.5 pumps of Johnson's baby shampoo, about that much, and literally 5 drops of the baby oil. So there we go. In goes the purified water. Close it, give it a good shake, and you're done. So your typical drugstore makeup remover brands would be in the range of around 200-250 for a 100 ml bottle. Your Clinique or Forest Essentials would be in the range of 750-800 onwards. So if you compare that with the one we made with just 1.5 pumps of baby shampoo, 5 drops of oil and water, it turns out to be just a fraction of that. Or if you're going in for coconut oil, this is like 90 bucks for a 250 ml bottle. But now it's time to test out which one works better. This is something I really wanted to do, and you can see my hair is tied up like this because I wanted to give you like a proper comparison. So slightly crooked, but we're gonna test it out like this. So on this side of my face, I'm going to use my homemade one, and on this side, I'm going to use coconut oil. Hot and cold. Let's mess that up a bit more and give some real work to these removers. So let's get started first with our DIY remover. Let's just shake it up. So there you have it. I've cleaned half of my face with the makeup remover I made on my own, and now we're going to get on to the other half using coconut oil. So there you have it, both sides of my face removed using different removers. I have to say that I struggled a lot more with the coconut oil, which is surprising because when I use it just by itself, it works like a charm. But today, when I'm able to compare the two, this side of my face feels much cleaner, and it was just easier to remove my makeup with this. On this side, I had to go over it on a few strokes. However, with my eyelashes, I felt that the coconut oil was much more effective for removing mascara than my homemade one. So maybe I'm gonna stick to a combination and use that for my entire face, and maybe just use coconut oil for the mascara because you want to be really gentle with your eyelashes. You don't want them to break, and coconut oil does help in enriching them and giving them more strength and more life. So one last attempt at comparing the two. Let's get rid of this red line before I forget all about it. So, homemade remover, coconut oil. You see how that's spreading it a bit more than it should be cleaning? And a final test on both sides with a baby wipe. So there you have it, the proof on a white baby wipe. This side left a lot less color and liner, and this side, the coconut oil has left quite a bit of color on my face even now. So I'm going to stick to this one, but remember that's not the end of it. You still have to wash your face with a nice gentle face wash. Close up your pores with a toner and then moisturize your skin. It's so important to follow this routine after a day of makeup, especially when you've been out shooting in the sun all day or just been out for work. The dust, the pollution, everything gets to you. So make sure you remove your makeup nicely using your own makeup remover, and then cleanse, tone, moisturize. I had so much fun finally getting to compare my two makeup removers. I know what I'm going to stick to. The verdict is out. I like my DIY makeup remover much more than using coconut oil, but I will use that to remove my mascara. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Tell me if you like this video and what more videos you would like to see. Make sure you leave me some comments if you tried this recipe. It is so darn easy. Why would you not try it? And tell me how it worked on you, or if you have any other makeup remover recipes, make sure you share those with me, and I'll see you very soon.